Hey everybody, Vampire Lore 1024 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make, your cover for your YouTube channel. So first things first, you might want to sign into your YouTube channel or your Gmail, um, and then you want to go to your channel, and then up here you see this little camera icon, right? Click it. Wait for this to load. Okay. So this is where you do your channel art. So it says that the maximum file size for channel art is 2560 by 1440. And of course, the max file size, if you're wondering, is 16 megabytes. You can upload your pictures if you have them uploaded to like your Google Plus, or there's these here which are not all that interesting. So let's leave this as is. Probably should go to Google, find a background, whatever color you like, your favorite color or just a random color. I'm going to skip this step because I already have plenty of backgrounds. So then you want to go to flamingtext.com. And as you can see, it has tons of different logos. It has 37 pages filled with different logos. There's Alien Glow, there's Harry Potter, there's ones on fire. Heck, there's even like Dracula looking ones, blood. There's like Smurfs right there, graffiti, electric, fluffy. A lot of the times I use Vroom or this. So you want to go to edit logo, uh, background transparent. Now, why you want to have it transparent? So that way it can be a PNG file. Logo, you can do whatever you like, whatever color you like. So I'm going to go here to text, and then I'm going to delete this, and then I'll say that it's empty, so we'll just type in my name. Now, basically, you'll be typing in your guys' name. Of course, you can mess with the font if you want to. You don't have to. If it looks good to you, then click next. Wait for it to load. Always, always, always download. Never buy the logo. So, okay, download that. I will be back real quick to go on to the next step. Okay, we're back. So next you want to go to pixlr.com/editor/ this thing. So what you want to do is create a new image. Click transparent. So for the width, you want the 2560, right? Yep, 2560. Sorry, I had to look. And then for the height, you want 1440. You don't need to worry about the presets or naming this. Okay, there you go. So select file and then open image. And then you just go to your images and then you find whatever one you want to use. I have a ton, as you can see, because I work with custom thumbnails a lot. Yeah, why not? Let's just go black. Okay, and then on this image, you want to hit Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy. And then you want to click on this transparent background, and then you want to hit Control V to paste. And then you want to go to Edit, Free Transform, so that way you can stretch the image out. And then just make sure you cover it as I did. Do you want to apply the changes? Click Yes. Okay, there you go. So go to File, Open Image. So now we're going to take the, your YouTube username, whichever it is, you want to take it, select it wherever it is. Okay, and then you want to hit Control A on your YouTube name, and then Control C to copy, and then you want to click on your background, and then hit Control V to paste it. And then back to Edit, Free Transform. So basically what you want to do here is just make sure that you can see like it, so that way it looks, big and everybody be able to see it. Now, you don't have to do it this way, but this is the way that I've done it. This is a lot easier than when I first uploaded a video on how to make cover art back like in 2013, 2014, or 2015, 2016, something like that. And then of course, file save, and then you can name it whatever, and then you can hit OK, and then you can save it. I'm not going to save it because I already have plenty of these backgrounds, but I'll be right back so that way you guys can see how to basically upload it. So, all right, so now that you have made your channel art, basically you just go here, you select file, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to go to my photos, and why not, I'll select this even though I have it. So this is what it'll look like on your desktop. This will look like it on your TV, and this would look like it on mobile. And then you can adjust the crop if you want, but you don't have to. And then basically hit OK when you're done. And then, so again, basically go to, upload it, and then, select it, and then, just hit select, and then bam, it'll pop up like that. So hopefully this video has helped you out a lot. If it has, please let me know in this video's comments. Also, make sure to check out this little card over here. It should be somewhere up here within the video. It's a little white circle with a black lowercase I. It's something that I have recommended, whether it's a video or a playlist. I do highly recommend you check it out. And that's pretty much it. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you would like to subscribe to my second channel, go ahead and do so. Of course, all of my links are in the video's description, and they're also, well, at least a few of them are up here on my channel. Or if you don't want to look in the video's description, then just come to my channel and basically click on where it says about near this magnifying glass, which is the search. So click on this here, and then just scroll down here, and there you go. All these links right here where it says links. It's pretty much everything that I'm currently on. So if you want to follow me on them, if you want to join my Discord, you want to follow me on Twitter, you want to join my community on Google Plus or my DeviantArt community, you want to follow me on DeviantArt, Google Plus, Twitch, or follow me and like me on Facebook, or even subscribe to my second channel, you can. There's links for that. And yeah, of course, that's it. Again, thank you. Have a great day, and see you guys.